Hi everyone, I want to welcome you all especially to today's live trading session. Um, Quickly, we're going to look at the market together, and I'm sure you want to make Forex money and crypto money this week. Okay, so how many of you have funded your live accounts? We're in partnership with OctaFX, and I told you that the link will always be on the description. Click on the link, create an Octa, and use the promo code and enjoy 50% discount. So we are going to be talking quickly, but I would like you to share the links right now. Share the link, share it out, share it out, share it out, share it out. Share it out to all of your contacts, all of your friends. Tell them we're live. Okay? Tell them we're live. Share the links, share the links, share the links. So what kind of people are expected to join this trading session? Pro traders, newbies, aspiring traders, all category of traders are welcome. So send out links to them, let them know that we are live. All right. Okay, quickly, I'm going to be introducing you again to the upcoming trading competition that I'm doing in partnership with OctaFX. And in this competition, it's simply if you will participate, then the link also is on the description side of the video and on the comment section. Click on the link, get registered, and get ready for that live competition session. It promises to be interesting. It promises to be loaded. It promises to help you, step up in your skill and also help you in the markets. So quickly, I'm going to be sharing my screen right now, and start, sharing with you what I'm seeing. Last week we didn't get any entry. The only one I would have gotten, I missed it. And this week, today being Monday, we haven't gotten any entry. And someone who think we don't know what we're doing, we say, "What's up?" By posting entries. I always tell you, if you don't know when to get into the markets and when to get out, you're a gambler. You know when to get out. Anything outside that, you're a gambler. So I'm seeing this setup. I'm thinking if I should take it because I was waiting for it. Maybe I should take it. It's outside my time that I was considering. But anyway, let me just take you straight to the analysis for this week. Okay. If you haven't seen the weekly analysis, you're doing the wrong thing. If you haven't seen weekly review for last week, you're doing the wrong thing. So this is it. What is the most recent break of structure? That's what tells you what you should be expecting to trade. The most recent break of structure, if you look closely, it's just somewhere around here. And that can possibly give us the opportunity to bullish JPY, at least for some days. We can bullish it short, at least to this point. So for any reason we'll find bullish entries on JPY, we can consider, and that's like what I'm seeing right now. Okay, that's like what I'm seeing right now. But all I will need is to get my full confirmation, and once I have it confirmed, then I might be giving it a thought. And this is it. That's what I was talking about. So if I find any confirmation on that, then I'll short a sell on GJ. So what am I going to be doing with GJ? Simple, just a short. something like this. Okay, and just quickly catch a decent. Let's see how many R is here. So targeting 26 pips to risk 5 pips. That's a decent 5R, right? 5R. So if that works fine, that's it. So I go back to JPY, so I give you the overall analysis. So what you are going to be trading for the week is based on what's happening right now. What's happening in the future is not enough of the business, because you're a day trader, you're not a swing trader. So though you look at the swing side to know what to expect, and maybe whether they're going to be some kind of reversals or thereabouts. But outside that, don't go for long expectations. Okay, don't go for a long expectation, because if you go for long expectations, they might not give you exactly what you're looking for. So on the swing side, there's a breaker structure to the upside here, confirming that it's bullish on the swing side. Internally, it is bearish too. It's bearish internally. Wait, hold on, please. I know I said bullish. That's a typo. Should I say typo now? You use typo for words. That's an error. It's bearish, retracing bullish on the shorts. Make that correction, because this low was taken out. This low wasn't taken out. Okay, this low was taken out as well. So it's bearish, but it's going to retrace bullish. So for me, I don't think I would want to take that, because that's a risky entry. So I will take it. So I'll reverse what I just said with GJ, because if that's bearish, then this is bullish. Okay, this is bullish, because if you look closely, though it's showing bearish here, though, because the JPY and the GBP JPY, the JPY is directly proportional to this pair as GBP JPY. I'm interested in what JPY is doing first before I know what this is doing. So even though this is showing bearish, okay, if JPY buys peradventure, let's look at it again. It is bullish on the internal. Are you getting it? Then it is bearish on the external. The price action from last week into this week, it's a bit tricky. So that's the reason why we didn't take entry last week. So now, why do I say bullish internally? Externally, this is it. This place was broken, because this was a major lower high. Okay, and since then, this is the only recent lower low that was created and has not been taken out. So because of that, on the swing side, you could say JPY is bullish, but on the internal side, it's bearish. And what we trade is the internal, because that's what happens in the now. Okay, so if you want to trade this week, what you should be trading should be within this range. Let me show you this range that you should be trading, of which the most recent record structure is here. So you find any bearish move within this range, you can go long. Okay, you find any bullish entry within this range, you can go short. Because what's currently happening, like right now, is bearish. So I wouldn't want to buy JPY right now. So I'm going to wait. If I find any bearish confirmation, anything outside that is noise. Anything outside that is noise. Find any bearish confirmation, which I'm seeing right now. So if price peradventure gets here, I will sell JPY. Then I'll buy GJ, which is looking bearish here. Can you see now? So but this might just be sweep of liquidity. So why will I buy GJ? If I find the bullish confirmation, which there is already. So it's on the swing side in this time frame. It's actually bearish. On the internal, it's bullish. So I can actually buy GG from this point to this point, and this will give me a pretty decent A setup. So you see why it's good you look at the market very well and you master your strategy. It helps you to be able to refine your entry precisely. So we've been able to successfully do that on GG and JPY. So what you do is always stay active on the group so that when there is an update, because there will always be an update. Once there's an update, I'll be updating the group to say this is what we are doing. Okay, right? So US 30, sorry, DXY is what I'm supposed to show you. Now that entry of US 30 was not taken. In case you were thinking it was taken, it was anticipated. So I said I was going to buy US 30 if I get a confirmation, of which there's no confirmation there. Okay, so it doesn't take in, so I can literally just delete it. Okay, none of these were taken. This wasn't taken. Even this wasn't taken. So just used to analyze the market. Okay. So all right, let's look at DXY quickly. The dollar index. We're going to use it to trade GU, EU, AU, NU, the rest of the U's. Okay, so now the dollar is on the bullish side. As you can see, it's on the bullish side. It's taking out this low. So on the swing side, it's bullish. Then, but on the internal, it is bearish. This kind of price actions can really be tricky. So what we're going to do is we're going to pay attention to the internal. Okay, let's pay attention to the internal so that we do not look at the external and elude ourselves of opportunities. So within this range, anything outside this range, we're going to change. Okay, because it's bullish on the external. So anything within this range, we find bearish move on DXY, we're going to get it, and that means we'll go bullish on GU. For the VIP, I'll give updates on EU, NU, and all the use. So for the GBP, let me show you GBP quickly. You go to the 4-hour time frame, you look at the trend, and you see. So it's supposed to be going bearish, but internally it's taking out this, so we can go bullish. You see that now? So this is what we can trade internally. It's taking out this, so we can trade this. It looks very small and tight, but if we get anything good there, we'll trade it within this range bullish. But which, if you look, it's taking out this, though it created its own internal and came down like this, took out this. So there's a lot of noise currently. But what I would just need is if GU for any reason takes out this, for me, if it takes out this, I'll look for bullish entries. If it doesn't, I'll leave the noise. The noise is too much. And most likely we may not take any entry just like last week. So let's go to silver. Since the Forex pairs are noisy, let's see what silver is giving us. Okay, the silver has done huge imbalance. I wouldn't want to buy it with big imbalance. I would want to buy it. I would prefer to sell. So for any reason, silver takes out this low, I'll sell. Okay. Then I'll update everybody on the group to sell. Ethereum Ethereum was creepy. It's creepy, though it's done what I expected it to do, and it's currently on this supply, rather demand zone. Now it's not good to sell on a demand zone. So because of that, it will be better to wait to see if Ethereum will take out that low before you start considering the next thing to do. It gives bullish confirmation, will go bullish on Ethereum. And Tesla, let's see Tesla. Tesla has completed its bearish move. It's now in the demand zone. We get any bullish confirmation, we go bullish on Tesla. And which one again? Okay, I promised you GC. You can see GC bearish, but on a demand zone, it's not good to sell on demand zone. So I prefer to wait for a buy there. So currently there are no entries. Okay, but once I find updates based on what I just explained to you, now I'll let you know what to do. This is US 30. On the swing side is bullish, internally is bearish. I find any entry on US 30 within this supply zone, I'll sell. So this has been mitigated, I'll sell at least to any of the liquidity points. So that'll be all on Forex, commodities, CFDs, crypto, and what have you. So this is okay. Sorry, let me bring out the saved file. This is volatility 25, and this is what I'm seeing. On the swing side, it's bullish. Okay. Internally, it's bearish. So if you want to trade the internal side, you can trade it between here and here. Okay. If you want to trade between here and here, then you go bearish. It is short. Internally, you can swing long. So the price action too is also tricky, just like the rest of the Forex and crypto pairs. So, but we can catch bearish entry here. All we just need is a good confirmation. So how do you get that now? You just look for a major low that the price needs to take out. A low like this. And once price takes out that low, you begin to look for confirmation, at least to the next liquidity zone. At least to the next liquidity zone. Get your profit and you're out. And finally, jump 25. So the price is very tricky. So that's why you need to trade caution. Whenever the market is this tricky, you need to trade serious caution. So jump 25 has successfully considered its bullish move. So I'll prefer to trade it bullish because it's overall bullish. So all I will need on jump 25 is to confirm that this is mitigated. And if I get any bullish entry, I'll move up. If I get any bearish entry of which it looks this didn't take out. All right, so we could actually find bearish entries here. Why? There is a low here that was taken out. Okay, so we find any bearish entry, we're going to trade it down at least to this point. So jump 2 is being tricky, just as volatility and the rest of everything. So the market is very much tricky this period. Very much tricky. And some people have questioned your psychology, but I just want you to know that you need to back test your strategy excellently. As long as your strategy is back tested excellently and you have high win rates in what you're doing, the market will not oversmart you, rather you oversmart the market. So this is all you can take on Forex, crypto, CFDs, synthetics, and the rest of them. And the next thing you're going to do is you're going to stay active. Okay, you're going to stay active on all of our channel, WhatsApp, Telegram, all of our channels, because I'm going to be bringing you updates on trading this week. So if we find that the market is moving in the direction as we've analyzed, then we go in, we make money. But otherwise, stay out of the markets when you don't have your setup. Don't gamble. Looking forward to seeing you during the weekly review at the end of the week. Also, expect the weekend analysis coming. Don't forget trading live trading competition with OctaFX. That's the next big thing. Make sure you're part of it. See you soon. Have a great trading week. Make sure you make money.